has gone down nearly 3 feet since cresting on Monday. That's good news for fans heading to the Yum Center, where ramps to and from Interstate 64 have been reopened finally. But construction on the Ohio River bridges has not resumed yet and could be delayed through next week. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff tells us more.
Well, it's not just the floodwaters that are keeping workers off this tower behind me. There are massive piles of driftwood that need to be cleared, and safety inspectors need to come in to make sure it's still safe.
I mean, with everything that occurred in February and what's going on now with the high waters, I mean, there certainly is a possibility that the overall timeline might have to be tweaked and adjusted, but it's too soon to say.
It's been a tough few weeks for Ohio River Bridges construction. First snow, then flooding. Dan Hartledge, spokesman for the East End Bridge project, says high water has kept workers off that bridge for a week, and it could be another week or two.
The next step is to wait for the water to go down.
Construction on both approaches to each bridge has not been affected, and just in time for tournament time, water has subsided on River Road near the KFC Yum Center. Roads and interstate ramps have reopened there, but work has stopped on the downtown bridge too.
So once the water recedes and once the water and the current is deemed safe, the next step is to evaluate the construction site in terms of safety.
Massive piles of driftwood have collected at an access bridge and scaffolding along the East End Bridge towers.
In some cases, it's very possible that some of those areas might have to be redone or rebuilt or repaired, and that'll take a little bit of time as well.
A tugboat will use this contraption to pull away the driftwood.
The idea is if they get it back out to the center of the river, into the main channel, it'll continue its flow down the river as it normally would.
No workers will be allowed back on the water until the sites are clean and repaired.
Safety being the priority before anybody goes back out on the river to do work. We want to make sure it's a safe work area.
Well, the good news is it looks like we're drying out, and officials are hopeful that they can get caught up this spring as long as the river goes down and stays down. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.